You are sitting on a gold mine and you do not even know it. That old, tired-looking mobile home sitting on your property right now can be completely transformed into a stunning barndominium that will make your neighbors stop and stare. And in 2026, people are doing it for a fraction of what a new build costs. We are talking real before and after transformations that are almost impossible to believe, and I have the full cost breakdown to prove exactly how it is done. Stay with me through this entire video because at the end, I am going to break down a real transformation cost comparison that could save you anywhere from $80,000 to $140,000 compared to building from scratch. That number alone is worth the next few minutes of your time. Before we get into this, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now because we cover alternative housing, barndominiums, and real cost breakdowns that most channels will not touch. Drop a comment below telling me what state you are in and whether you already own a mobile home, because that context is going to matter later in this video. Why this is happening now. In 2026, let's talk about why mobile barndominiums transformations are exploding right now. In 2026, the average cost to build a brand new barndominium runs between $95 and $175 per square foot for a finished build. On a 1,500 square foot home, that is $142,500 to $262,500 before you even touch land costs, permits, well, or septic. For a lot of people, that number is simply out of reach. But here is what most people are sleeping on. There are approximately 22 million manufactured and mobile homes across the United States right now. Many of them are sitting on owned land, fully paid off and structurally sound, but they look dated. The owners feel stuck because selling feels like leaving money on the table, and building new feels financially impossible. That gap between those two options is exactly where the mobile barndominium transformation lives. You are not demolishing and rebuilding. You are strategically upgrading what already exists, applying the barndominium aesthetic to a structure that already has your foundation, plumbing, electrical rough-in, and framing in place. That existing infrastructure represents $30,000 to $60,000 in savings before you spend your first dollar on the transformation. And the results in 2026 are genuinely jaw-dropping. We are not talking about slapping some paint on and calling it a day. We are talking about full exterior overhauls with vertical board and batten siding, black metal roofing systems, covered porches with gabled peaks, black window trim packages, faux stone skirting, and interior transformations with open concept layouts, shiplap accent walls, and modern farmhouse finishes that look like they came straight out of a high-end design magazine. What actually makes the barndominium look? Before we get into cost, you need to understand what your eye is actually reading when you see a barndominium. It is not one single feature. It is a combination of design elements that stack on top of each other, and the more of them you apply, the stronger the transformation. The single most defining element is vertical board and batten siding. Those tall vertical boards with raised battens between them are the signature move. On a mobile home, replacing the original horizontal siding with board and batten is what makes the transformation look like a completely different structure. Second is the roofline. Barndominiums read tall and angular because of steep gabled peaks. A mobile home with its low, flat, or slightly pitched roofline immediately reads manufactured. This is where something called a roof-over system comes in, and I will cover exactly how that works in a moment. Adding gabled porch peaks or a full self-supporting metal roof framework changes the entire silhouette of the building. Third is the trim package. Black or dark bronze window framing against either light or dark siding creates high contrast. That is immediately recognizable as the barndominium aesthetic. Swapping original aluminum window trim for black framing costs relatively little but delivers massive visual impact. Fourth is the covered porch. A full front porch with a metal roof accent, exposed wood or black steel posts, and proper decking transforms the entry experience completely. This single addition does more for curb appeal than almost anything else. Fifth is the skirting. Original mobile home skirting is one of the biggest giveaways that a home is manufactured. Replacing it with faux stone, brick veneer, or board and batten skirting to match the walls finishes the exterior transformation from every angle. Hit 4 or 5 of those elements together, and the result does not look like a renovated mobile home. It looks like a custom-built barndominium. The 3 transformation tiers with real 2026 costs. Now let's talk money. Transformations in 2026 fall into 3 clear tiers, and I want to walk through each one honestly. Tier 1. The budget refresh. This tier is for someone who wants maximum visual impact for minimum spend. We are talking $1,000 to $3,000 $1,000 for a single wide and $5,100 to $4,000 for a double wide. What this covers: black window trim, carriage-style exterior lights, a dark front door with new hardware, and upgraded faux stone skirting. No roof work, no siding replacement. This tier still completely changes how the home reads from the street. The high-contrast trim package alone shifts the visual impression dramatically. Is this a full barndominium transformation? No, but it is the entry point that proves the concept and adds real curb appeal without breaking the bank. A lot of people do this first, then phase into the bigger work. Tier 2, mid. Range transformation, this is the sweet spot. Costs run $15,000 to $35,000 for a single wide and $22,000 to $48,000 for a double wide, materials and labor combined. What this includes: board and batten re-siding on the front gable end, upgraded matching skirting, a small gabled porch peak over the front entry, a full black trim package on all windows and doors, new exterior lighting, and a freshened paint scheme. At this tier, the home unmistakably reads barndominium. This is the version that stops cars. The mid-range transformation is where most people land, because the return on investment is strongest. You are spending real money, but getting a result that looks like significantly more was invested. Tier 3. Full transformation, this is the complete overhaul. Costs range from $45,000 to $85,000 for a single wide and $65,000 to $120,000 for a double wide, real 2026 numbers including materials and labor. Now here is where I need to get technical for a second, because getting this wrong is expensive. A true Tier 3 exterior transformation does not simply lay a heavy new roof directly onto the original, manufactured home trusses. Here is why. Factory manufactured home trusses are lightweight, highly engineered, thin cord web systems designed to be hidden behind drywall. They are not engineered to carry the additional dead load of a new steep pitch metal roof structure on top. Overloading them is a structural risk and a code violation in most jurisdictions. What the best 2026 transformations actually do is one of two things. Either they build a completely self-supporting pole barn framework that wraps over and around the existing mobile home, creating an entirely new roofline that carries its own weight independently, or they use a certified lightweight metal roof over kit specifically engineered for manufactured housing, which adds the visual profile without exceeding the original truss load limits. Both approaches are legitimate. Both deliver the dramatic roofline change, but both require a structural plan, not just a contractor with a nail gun. What Tier 3 delivers when done correctly: full board and batten re-siding on all exterior walls, a self-supporting metal roof or certified roof over system, a full covered front porch with metal roof accent, complete black trim package, matching skirting, and a full interior transformation with open concept layout, LVP flooring throughout, shiplap or board and batten interior accent walls, updated kitchen and bathrooms, recessed lighting, and modern fixtures throughout. The full transformation done right is the one that makes people say there is no way that was a mobile home. The real cost comparison that changes everything. Here is the number I promised you at the beginning, and this is where things get genuinely interesting. Let us compare two paths to the same result. A 600 square foot barndominium-style home on owned rural land. Path 1. Building a new barndominium from scratch, land clearing and site prep. $8,000 to $15,000. New barndominium kit and shell. $52,000 to $80,000. Foundation $12,000 to $22,000. Interior finishing at $100 to $120 per square foot. $160,000 to $192,000. Well and septic if not existing, $20,000 to $35,000. Permits and engineering, $5,000 to $8,000. Total new build range, $257,000 to $352,000. Path 2. Mobile home full transformation on owned land, existing mobile home already owned or purchased, $15,000 to $35,000 for a used double wide in solid condition. Full exterior transformation, including the self-supporting roof over framework or certified metal roof system, board and batten siding, porch and trim package, $65,000 to $120,000. Interior renovation, $25,000 to $55,000. Permits, $2,000 to $4,000. Well and septic already existing, zero additional cost. Total transformation range, $107,000 to $214,000. The savings, $80,000 to $145,000 for an end result that from the outside looks virtually identical to a custom new build. That is not a small number. That is an entirely different financial situation for a lot of families. Now, here is the honest part. The transformation path has real limitations. You are working within the footprint of the original mobile home. The structure must be inspected and confirmed sound before a single dollar goes into aesthetics. And some lenders still treat manufactured homes differently, regardless of exterior appearance. If resale value and conventional finance are your top priorities, a ground-up new build may serve you better long-term. The transformation path is strongest when you plan to live there long-term or own the land outright. But if those conditions are met, the math is undeniable. What the interior transformation looks like. The exterior gets all the attention, but the interior transformation is equally dramatic. The starting point in most mobile homes is 7-foot ceilings, small individual rooms separated by narrow hallways, carpet throughout, builder-grade fixtures, and limited natural light. The transformation targets every one of those pain points, but let me be straight with you about something a lot of renovation content gets wrong. You cannot safely vault or expose the factory trusses of a standard manufactured home. Unlike site-built homes, manufactured home trusses are lightweight, engineered systems using small-dimension lumber held together by light connector plates. They are designed to be hidden. Removing or cutting them compromises your structural integrity and your thermal envelope. Here is what the best 2026 builders are actually doing instead. They are removing interior non-structural partition walls to create massive open sightlines across the full width of the home. The great news about manufactured homes is that almost all interior partition walls are non-load bearing. The roof load transfers directly to the exterior walls and the heavy steel chassis underneath. The one exception in a double wide is the marriage line, the central wall where the two halves join. That wall is highly structural and should never be altered without a licensed engineer signing off on it. Once those partition walls come out and you have that open floor plan, you apply vertical interior shiplap on the walls, mount lightweight faux wood beams directly to the existing ceiling surface, and add recessed lighting. The combination completely tricks the eye into perceiving a much taller, more spacious room than the actual ceiling height delivers. It is one of the smartest visual moves in the entire transformation playbook. LVP flooring throughout costs $3 to $6 per square foot installed in 2026, totaling $4,800 to $9,600 for a 15,600 square foot interior. Kitchen cabinet replacement runs $8,000 to $18,000 for a mid-range full kitchen with new countertops. Bathroom updates run $4,000 to $9,000 per bath. Add a full black matte fixture package throughout, and the interior reads like a custom-built home. Honest things to know before you start. Here is where I keep it real with you, because the internet is full of transformation content that glosses over the hard parts. Structural condition is everything. Before you spend a single dollar on aesthetics, get a thorough inspection of the floor system, roof decking, and exterior walls. Mobile homes with soft floors, roof damage, or significant moisture infiltration are money pits. That inspection costs $300 to $500 and is the most important money you will spend on the entire project. Permits vary dramatically by location. Some counties are straightforward. Others require engineering stamps on roof-over structures and wall modifications. Call your local building department before you finalize your budget. The marriage line is non-negotiable. If you own a double wide and you want to open up the interior, every wall is fair game except the marriage line. Do not let any contractor tell you otherwise without a licensed structural engineer involved. Phasing works and most people use it. You do not have to do everything at once. Many successful transformations happen in phases over 2 to 4 years, starting with the exterior impact work and moving to interior upgrades as budget allows. This also lets you live in the space and learn what changes matter most before committing to the full interior overhaul. In 2026, the mobile barndominium transformation is one of the most cost-effective paths to a stunning alternative home available to anyone who already owns a manufactured home on land. For the right structure in the right condition, you can achieve a result that looks like a $300,000 custom build for $100,000 to $180,000 total investment. The key is going in with honest expectations, a properly inspected structure, and a contractor who actually understands manufactured housing. Not every contractor does. Ask specifically about their experience with mobile home transformations, roof-over systems, and HUD code before you sign anything. If you own a mobile home on rural land right now, you are genuinely sitting on an opportunity most people walk right past. The question is whether you are going to act on it. Drop your situation in the comments below. Tell me what you are working with, what state you are in, and what part of the transformation interests you most. I read every comment and I am building future videos based on what this community is actually going through. If this video gave you real value, share it with someone who needs to see it. Hit the like button so more people find this content. And subscribe if you want honest, research-backed alternative housing information without the fluff. I will see you in the next one.